Hi, next we'll be jumping into WaaPy Bot, our chatbot builder. If you hover over the left sidebar right here, you'll see WaaPy Bot listed under plugins. Go ahead and click that. From here, you can either create a new WaaPy Bot or set up a folder. We highly recommend creating a dedicated folder to organize your chatbots. If you already have one ready, simply open the folder and create a new WaaPy Bot. So create this one. Create a WaaPy Bot right here. You will be given the option to either import a file containing a pre-made bot or start from scratch. Let's start from scratch to see the core features. So as you can see, we're in the builder canvas. On the left side, you'll find different function elements. Under bubbles, you see here, you have things like text, image, video, and audio. You can quickly drag and drop directly into your canvas group. So you just drag text right here and drop it right here. Under inputs, you can drag out a text input field. This can be placed outside of a box to let users type an answer, or you can drop it directly inside the group. You can directly drop it inside the group right here. Below inputs are the logic controls. Here you can set variable, add a condition, create a wait timer, or instruct the bot to jump into another group. WaaPy Bot also includes an extensive suite of native integration. You can hover each icon to view them, which includes Google Sheets, HTTP requests, email, OpenAI, QR codes, Mistral, Anthropic, OpenRouter, NocoDB, and Grok. If you have done your build, you can review the visual overview using the flow button right here. Run a simulation test via tests, or make it live by clicking public right here. If you need to return to the folder menu, you can click back to home on the top left right here. If you need to return to the folder menu, you can click back to home to manage your workflows right here. You can also duplicate configurations by clicking these three dots button right here, or delete a draft bot to keep your workspace clean. And that's all for this section.